Friendly UAV overhead.
Let's head for the safe zone.
When you get to the next buy station, can you just buy another UAV and I'll pick up your cluster strike? Let's get in this building. Oh wait, yeah, the one up there. The blue one.
Enemy UAV overhead.
That's green? Talking about the color that was tagged.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
There's guys on this roof.
Mark the target.
Copy that.
Got him. 2 team wipes, by the way. Those were 2 different guys. I think he was sneaking up on him. Oh, this guy crossing?
Mark the target.
Ah, just took down his armor.
The contact!
Heading out.
Gas is moving.
Hey, we gotta push. Just to this first building.
Moving here.
Let's head for the safe
Enemy
zone.
movement!
Let's just try to get in this one. Don't push too far. If we can, yes. Nice.
High caliber here. A few shells
Only
here.
10 remain. You're nearly done.
Gotta push.
Good. Contact!
Gas
got one.
inbound. Safe zone relocated.
You're good.
Yeah.
The 5
Sit
to go.
tight.
Bring home the win.
Gas mask. Armor up.
Allied cluster strike inbound. Gas is closing in.
We need recon. Send the flyover.
UAV entering the
We're
AO.
in the safe zone.
We get up to the very top. Yeah.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Got that one!
Get them both? Nice. I already have it. Right below us.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Yeah, right below us.
Setting explosive.
Gas is inbound.
Grenade out!
For the safe zone.
It's just us versus him. Don't push, don't push. He has to come out over here.
Grenade out!
Unless he comes up the stairs. I'll go down, you stay up. There he is.
No targets remain. You earned the win.
I know. I did not expect to win. Hard. Couldn't have it in lazy boy mode anymore.